Hi everyone, I'm Caroline. I'm CEO and co-founder of FinMarie. FinMarie is the first online investment platform made by women for women. Employee satisfaction is a key factor for every successful business, and money plays an essential role for the employees. So why not to help your employees to get this financial knowledge and financial literacy? With FinMarie, we'll help companies to educate and inspire employees in this all financial topics. We help employees to understand financial world, and we don't use financial jargon. Why we are doing that? Because money is the source number one of stress among employees. Our workshops are conducted by financial advisors with banking license who are completely independent. If you would like to learn more about financial education for your employees, contact us under finmarie.com.